What is on your hand?
Glitter.
Glitter. And you don't like that?
I don't like that.
Why not?
I don't like glitter on my hand.
You don't like glitter on your hands? Yep. Well, that'll wash off when we get our shower. So this is our second try at the glitter slime kit. Now, the back of the instructions do say put 1 6-ounce glue, and we did that last time. I should probably know that's 6 ounces. But the instructions here say 2 tablespoons, and then add 2 more tablespoons, whereas the instructions on the back of the bottle say use the entire contents. So, this time we're going to use the entire contents and see if we get different results. How about that, sir? All right. Do you want to tell Mom what we're doing? Go ahead. You can start.
It's hard.
It's hard?
Yeah, can you help?
I can help. Let's see if I can open this up enough to put our trash in for later. All right. So, how about that? Is that better?
Yeah.
All right. Whoops. We could probably save the bottle for something.
Why? Ew.
Ew.
Ew. Is it all?
Oh, I think there's more in there. What do you think?
Ew.
Ew. Keep
I
going.
like that.
You love that. We like getting messy.
But I like getting messy.
Yeah?
Can you?
Can I? Absolutely. Oh.
No. No.
Red poop.
Red poop. It's not poop.
It's not poop? Okay.
It's a sticky thing.
It's a sticky thing. It's glue.
It's you.
It's glitter glue. And we might as well enjoy it now because there might not be glitter in the future. Sure. Take over. No glitters and no straws in our future. We got most of it out, don't you think? Ah! All right, sir. I think we are about to empty all of the contents from this 6-ounce glitter glue container.
Can I touch it?
Absolutely. It will be sticky, though, because we have not added the contents of that thing there.
Why?
Well, that thing over there somehow makes it less sticky and more slimy.
Nah.
I wonder if anyone can see that coming out.
I got it.
You got it?
Can you do that?
We can do that? All right.
Can I touch it?
Absolutely. Go ahead. Ew.
Ew.
Can you open that one, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's all we're going to get out of that. All right. Let me get a napkin. Not that we need a napkin. I just want that off my hand. So here's your spoon for stirring. We're just going to pour some of that in like that. Now stir that up, please. Oh, you can stir better than that. Stir it like you're making cookies. Okay, I'm going to add some more. It's going to get harder to stir. Keep stirring. Don't quit. Keep going. Keep stirring. That one's easy?
The red one is easy.
Oh, there. Stir all of that.
This one is easy, Dad.
Is it?
It is easy.
Can I stir some?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Daddy's making eggs! The eggs!
I'm making eggs.
Yeah! Because that's right, it's eggs.
Is it?
Come on.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah.
Look at that!
Look at that. Ew.
Done.
Done. All right, so this looks different than our last attempt.
Can I touch it?
I think so. I don't see why not.
Yo! Oh no! It's poop!
Yep. All right, sir. That feels different.
Ah! I got it on me.
That's a lot different than our last attempt. Go ahead. You can pick it up.
Ah!
Look at that. The whole thing came out this time. And it is lovely slime.
Come on! Come on!
All right, sir. Catch it. Put your hands there. Catch it. I know. This comes off a lot easier than the last one. So we could probably stir it up some more, but here, do this. They want us to knead it. This is called kneading. We need to pick it up and squish it and
Squish it.
yeah, do yucky stuff with it.
Yeah.
I know.
Ah. Ah.
Oh, don't wipe it on me.
I want you to do it.
On your face.
No,
On
no,
your
no,
face.
no,
Okay.
don't do that.
Don't do that.
That's a big mess.
That is a big mess.
Don't do that.
Okay.
Oh
What can we do with this?
no. What can you do with that?
Is this what Spider-Man's web looks like?
I don't know.
You don't know? Ugh. This is... Sure. Wait, take it out of my hand.
Ah!
What?
You did that.
It's not scary. It's slimy.
It's yummy.
Oh, sorry. You got it on my arm again.
Ah.
Oh, that napkin's not going to work with that, sir. It is so sticky that... I know.
Ah. Ah.
Sir, can you reach that bottle?
What?
Here. Pour the rest of that in there. Let's see if that makes it even better to hold.
In the napkin?
No, in the jar. Maybe it's supposed to be a little sticky. That's a lot, isn't it? What would happen if I do that?
I want to.
Oh. Let's see if I can get it off my hands. Yep. Not going to take any more of it, probably.
Wow, Kiki King, I know!
Oh no.
Yay! I want to.
You want to do that? Do that. Take it off my hands.
Ah! Ah! No!
Take it off my hands.
No!
Squish it. Squish it.
Ah!
Ew. Push your hands into it.
Yeah!
Yuck. Push your hands into it.
No!
Sir, that's what it's for. Push your hands into it. Achoo.
I don't brush in it.
Achoo.
No, don't do that.
What is this stuff on my hands?
Okay.
It's okay?
Okay. You can wash your hand.
I can.
Oh, no!
Oh no. What are you going to do with it? Yuck. There's more in there? There shouldn't be any more in there. I think we've used all of it now.
Oh.
Yeah, squish this stuff together.
Yeah.
What's it feel like?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Didn't smell like strawberry. Does it taste like strawberry?
No, we cannot eat it.
Oh, we cannot?
We cannot. Don't touch it. It's good.
Is it good?
You can get water in there. That was it in there.
I don't know if that was water. I don't know what that was, but it's,
It was this.
it was that.
Yeah.
Go ahead, squish it. It's okay. You just told me it's okay. You. You want to do that? Squish it in your hand. Squish it like this. Ah. Squish it in your hands. You. Squish it. It's okay. Get it. Your turn. You. Guts. What is that? Oh, it's just what it is, sir. Lots of sticky fun. Really? Yeah, we could put another video up, huh? I'm hoping this one does a little better than the last one. What are we going to do with that? You can smash it.
No! Why? Why are you doing that? Why? I want to.
Now what?
No, I want to do it.
No, put the napkin aside. Yeah, now you got the napkin stuck, don't you? All right. Now the napkin's stuck to me. It's like Curious George at the pancakes. Ah,
Don't do that!
give me that. Ew. Oh no, I got it on the floor. Try to keep it on the table. I don't know what we can make with it. What do you think? Oh, well, it's getting more, what, lumpy? Oh, you're going to roll it out? It kind of looks like it sometimes. But it doesn't feel like it. Slowly but surely, the glue is coming off my hands.
Why?
Probably because it's drying and it's sticking. Can we make a solid lump with it is what we need to know. Can we roll it up? Get it off the hand.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah, that is much better than last time. We didn't get this far, did we? And it took maybe a jar and a half of the magic liquid.
It's really good.
It's really thick. That is interesting.
It's interesting.
It is.
Oh no, a scary bone.
A scary bone?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a ghost.
It's a ghost.
It's a ghost.
It is a ghost.
I'm going to spend this whole video trying to get it off my hands.
Why? Wow.
There's some more. Let me get it off the floor. Ah.
Yeah. Come on.
back together?
No.
No, no, what?
I want to do it. I
Okay.
want to squeeze
You can squeeze it. It's fun to squeeze it.
Look at that! Oh no! Ew!
Ew.
Look at that! A fish!
Wow.
Look at that!
Look at that. Oh, it broke. Can it go back together? Yes.
What?
Oh no!
My hand!
You can poke your finger through it.
Yeah! You can play with it?
I can?
Yeah.
So, bring it closer to the camera. Look at this gooey stuff. It's not so bad now that we've worked with it.
Can
Absolutely.
I?
Tell them about it. Tell Mom about it. Yeah. It's fun to hit that, isn't it? What can you tell me about this, sir?
Look at that, 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 look at that! Look at that! Oh no, it broke!
It did break.
Got
You want to start over? It's a big worm. Oh. Like that, like that, and like that.
Cut it!
No, I wish I'd kept the other one. Maybe it would have been all right. It's not? Hmm. Wow.
A donut.
A donut. Oh no!
Let's do that again.
Let's do that again. All right.
Donut stuff, donut. Put it in my hand.
Oh no! I got you.
I got you. This is fun.
This is fun.
A big one. And I love.
It's not?
I did mealworm.
It looks like a snake.
Dad, I'm with the cake I get.
There you go.
Honey cake done.
Maybe it's a flower.
Yeah. Maybe it's a flower happy face.
It's a flower happy face.
Oh no! It's getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. No! Do it. Do it again. Do it again. No. I want to do it again.
You may have to roll it up and start over. Roll it up and start over.
It's okay. Come on,
Roar. All right. Roll it all up. Roll it up.
I want me to here. Don't touch me, Lord. Yeah, the worm. No, not the worm.
It bounces.
You can't get a football. Oh, yeah, I got it.
Like that. There you go. Tell
Maybe eat
Mom
an apple.
about it.
Maybe eat an apple.
Tell Mom about it.
Maybe eat an apple.
It could be eat it.
You cannot eat it.
You cannot eat it?
It's sticky.
All right.
Apple.
Say bye.
Bye.